my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of Tron TRX coin. What's the prices goes in Tron, what's the TRX current status of cryptocurrency market, and what's the next target of TRX. In this video I will show you, friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel and also press the bell icon for any video notification, friends. The price of the TRX coin at this time is about 0.147831 USD dollar is the current price of a TRX coin in this time, friends. And if you look, the change occur in the TRX coin in this time is about the last 1 hour change is negative, the last 1 day change is positive, and the last 7 day change as in positive, friends. So if we look the market rank of the TRX coin, so the market rank is about 18 is a market rank of the TRX coin. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction chart of the TRX coin. What's the prices goes at this time in the TRX coin? As you can see here, the change is absolutely very good, very nice. The change is positive. 0.82% change occur in the TRX in the last 1 hour, and the high price of the TRX is about 0.1474 USD dollar, the high price of TRX in the period of last 1 hour, friends. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction. What's the change goes and the last 1 hour and TRX coin, friends. Now if we look the TRX coin price prediction chart, so it is clearly for us that there is a good news for all of you, and that is a support level. Now this is a support level and that is a resistance, friends. So if we look at this time, sorry, the line is a curve, but this is a support level. So if we look, the price prediction change occur and a TRX coin, so as you can see here, they started moving upward for a period and again falls down, move upward, falls down, move upward, falls down, move upward. But if we look at this period of the TRX, so as you can see here, at this period TRX goes only move upward, they are not goes falls down, because as you can see here, they are move upward. So that's mean that the big pump, the big jump of the TRX coin or starts now. There is no chances to TRX falls down at this time. What's your opinion about TRX? Please share in the comment box and kindly subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets.